High above Earth, a symbol of international collaboration orbits our planet. This is the International Space Station, or ISS, a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. It serves as a unique laboratory for groundbreaking scientific research. The astronauts aboard the ISS are scientists, engineers, and technicians working tirelessly to conduct experiments and maintain the station. Their work provides invaluable insights into long-duration spaceflight, paving the way for future exploration. The ISS is a testament to the power of human collaboration. It is a joint project between 5 space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA, and CSA. This partnership has enabled continuous human presence in space for over 2 decades. The astronauts come from diverse backgrounds but share a common goal: to advance scientific knowledge. Life on the ISS balances scientific inquiry and essential upkeep. Astronauts conduct experiments, exercise, and perform routine maintenance. Every task is crucial to the mission's success. Living in microgravity requires adaptability, ingenuity, and teamwork. The ISS is a symbol of hope for the future. It represents what humanity can achieve when we work together. The research conducted on the ISS benefits life on Earth in countless ways. The ISS reminds us of the incredible things we can accomplish when we dare to dream big. One of the key areas of research on the ISS is space botany, the study of how plants grow and develop in the unique environment of microgravity. Understanding how plants adapt to space is essential for developing sustainable life support systems for long-duration space missions. Imagine a future where astronauts cultivate their own food on spacecraft or even on other planets, reducing their reliance on Earth-based supplies. Inside the Kaibo module, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency's contribution to the ISS, astronauts are conducting experiments in the Advanced Plant Habitat, a closed-loop environmental chamber designed for plant growth research. These experiments focus on various aspects of plant physiology, including photosynthesis, nutrient uptake, and gene expression. By comparing the growth patterns of plants in space to those on Earth, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental biological processes that are affected by gravity. One of the key challenges of growing plants in space is the lack of natural convection. On Earth, gravity helps to circulate air and water, ensuring that plants receive the nutrients they need. In the microgravity environment of the ISS, however, air and water tend to form stagnant layers, which can hinder plant growth. To overcome this challenge, scientists have developed specialized growth chambers that use fans and other mechanisms to simulate the effects of gravity. The research conducted in the Kaibo module is not only beneficial for future space exploration, but also has the potential to impact agriculture on Earth. By studying how plants adapt to the stressful conditions of space, scientists can develop new varieties of crops that are more resistant to drought and disease and other environmental stresses. These advancements in plant breeding could help to improve food security and sustainability for a growing global population. Fire safety is paramount in the confined and oxygen-rich environment of a spacecraft. To better understand how fire behaves in microgravity, astronauts are conducting combustion experiments using the Solid Combustion Experiment Module, SCEM, located in the Kaibo laboratory. These experiments provide valuable data that can be used to improve fire safety protocols and develop more effective fire suppression systems for future spacecraft. The SEM allows astronauts to study the ignition and spread of flames in a controlled environment. One of the key findings from these experiments is that flames burn differently in microgravity than they do on Earth. In the absence of gravity, flames are spherical and tend to smolder rather than burn with a visible flame. This is because the hot gases produced by combustion do not rise away from the flame as they do on Earth, which can lead to incomplete combustion and the production of more soot. Understanding these differences is crucial for developing effective fire safety measures for spacecraft. For example, traditional smoke detectors that rely on the rising plume of smoke may not be as effective in microgravity. Instead, spacecraft need to be equipped with more sophisticated fire detection systems that can detect heat, gases, and other byproducts of combustion. The combustion experiments conducted on the ISS are not only improving fire safety in space, but also have applications here on Earth. The data collected from these experiments can be used to develop more efficient combustion engines, improve fire suppression techniques in enclosed spaces, and even gain a better understanding of wildfires. The NanoRacks Bishop Airlock is a permanent, commercially funded airlock on the ISS that enables the deployment of small satellites, the retrieval of external experiments, and the transfer of cargo between the pressurized interior of the station and the vacuum of space. During this week's activities, the Canadarm2 robotic arm, a marvel of engineering in its own right, played a crucial role in utilizing the Bishop Airlock for scientific endeavors. One of the key tasks involved the Canadarm2 carefully extracting hardware associated with a radio frequency experiment from the Bishop Airlock. This delicate operation required precise control and coordination between the astronauts operating the robotic arm and the ground control teams. Once extracted, the robotic arm skillfully installed the experiment hardware onto the Bartolomeo platform, a European Space Agency-developed external payload facility attached to the Columbus module. This platform provides a unique vantage point for Earth observation and space science experiments. Following the successful transfer of the experiment hardware, the Bishop Airlock was meticulously detached from the Columbus module and then reattached to its original location on the Tranquility module. This relocation prepared the Bishop Airlock for its next set of tasks, which involve supporting internal research activities within the station. The ability to seamlessly transition between external and internal operations highlights the versatility and importance of the Bishop Airlock as a scientific tool. The NanoRacks Bishop Airlock represents a new era of commercial involvement in space exploration. By providing a platform for research and development, the Bishop Airlock is fostering innovation and expanding opportunities for scientific discovery in the unique environment of low Earth orbit. This commercial partnership is helping to make space more accessible and affordable, paving the way for a future where space is no longer the exclusive domain of government agencies. In the unique environment of microgravity, monitoring astronaut vision becomes crucial. Without the gravitational pull we're accustomed to on Earth, the fluid shifts in the body can affect vision. This is why, continuous observation and research are essential to ensure the well-being of astronauts during their mission. Keeping the life support system in top shape is, absolutely vital for the survival of the crew in space. This system provides oxygen, removes carbon dioxide, and regulates temperature and humidity. Regular maintenance checks and prompt repairs are necessary to ensure that everything runs smoothly and that the crew remains safe and comfortable. Preparing for crew returns and vehicle undocking is a critical phase of any space mission. It involves meticulous planning and coordination to ensure a safe return to Earth. The process includes, checking all systems, securing loose items, and making sure the spacecraft is ready for the journey back. This stage marks the culmination of the mission and the beginning of the crew's return to life on Earth. As we look ahead, the groundwork being laid today is crucial for the missions of tomorrow. Every experiment, every innovation, and every lesson learned is a stepping stone towards a brighter, more expansive future in space exploration. The relentless pursuit of knowledge and the spirit of discovery drive us forward, ensuring that humanity's reach will extend far beyond our current horizons. The Zvezda module, a cornerstone of the International Space Station, requires constant care and attention. Maintenance and monitoring efforts are vital to ensure its continued functionality and safety. These tasks, though sometimes routine, are essential for the overall success and longevity of the mission. The dedication and expertise of the crew keep this vital component running smoothly, supporting life and work in space. And in the vast expanse of space, science and upkeep go hand in hand. The experiments conducted aboard the station not only advance our understanding of the universe, but also help maintain the station itself. From fluid dynamics to material science, each study contributes to both scientific knowledge and the practical needs of living in space. The crew's commitment to these dual roles ensures that the station remains a hub of innovation and discovery. The legacy of human spaceflight is one of courage, innovation, and unyielding determination. Each mission builds upon the achievements of those that came before, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. As we reflect on the journey so far, we're reminded of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The spirit of exploration continues to inspire and drive us toward new frontiers, leaving an indelible mark on history.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.